This is the Enclave Section at Hilton Tulum, a secluded part of the resort where the experience goes above and beyond. In today's video, we'll show you exactly what makes staying in the Enclave Section a truly unforgettable experience. The suites are located in the coveted Building 1, which puts you at the heart of everything. Imagine stepping out of your room and being just a few steps away from the beach, the lobby, and the restaurants. The Enclave Suites. These rooms aren't just about luxury, they're about offering you more. More space, more convenience, more comfort. Inside the suites, you'll find upgraded touches that make the experience feel even more special. Your minibar isn't just standard, it's upgraded. Fully stocked with premium beverages so you will enjoy a drink anytime, whether you're relaxing after a long day or getting ready for an evening out. And when the day winds down, nightly turn-down service adds that extra touch of relaxation, preparing your room for a restful night. Slip into the cozy robes and slippers provided in every suite. Make it feel like your own personal spa. And with a personal concierge at your service, you won't have to worry about anything. For those who love to spend time poolside, the Enclave Section offers 2 exclusive pools. These aren't typical resort pools. These are peaceful retreats where you can lounge in style with comfortable seating and a quieter atmosphere. Whether you want to take a refreshing dip, soak up the sun, or just unwind with a cocktail in hand, the pools are designed to give you the space to relax away from the crowds. When it's time to dine, you won't have to fight for a reservation or wait in long lines. As an Enclave guest, you have access to private restaurant where you can enjoy a la carte lunch with stunning ocean views. Imagine savoring fresh local cuisine paired with your choice of premium drinks. The restaurant is exclusive to Enclave guests, so you can enjoy a more intimate, relaxed dining experience. Now, let's talk about the Enclave Lounge. This isn't just any lounge. It's your personal haven, combining dining, a bar, and outdoor seating into one space that feels like it's made just for you. Whether you're stopping by for a quick bite or a leisurely drink, the lounge provides an atmosphere of calm with plenty of space to relax. In the morning, you can start your day with a delicious breakfast with a menu that changes daily to keep things fresh and exciting. Later, stop by for lunch and grab a gourmet bite whenever you feel like it. There's always something delicious waiting for you. And let's not forget about the drinks. The Enclave Lounge is home to the resort's best bar, offering a wide selection of premium brands so you can indulge in your favorite cocktails or try something new. The Enclave Lounge also provides a private check-in and check-out service, so from the moment you arrive, everything is seamless. So, what makes the Enclave Section at Hilton Tulum truly special? It's the combination of personalized luxury, convenience, and those extra touches that elevate your stay into something truly extraordinary. From spacious suites in prime locations to exclusive pools and restaurants, every aspect is designed to give you more comfort, more relaxation, and more of that vacation feeling you've been dreaming of. If you're looking for a getaway that goes above and beyond, the Enclave Section offers an experience you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our next video for a full walkthrough of Hilton Tulum, where we'll explore even more of what makes this resort the ultimate destination for your next vacation.